Welcome to Woods Decor, Luxury Redefined. Join us as we unveil handcrafted masterpieces designed to elevate your bedroom to new heights of elegance. On your screen is our first creation, a classic wooden bed framed by two matching bedside tables, each detailed with subtle turned legs and a single drawer for essentials. Notice the headside, an upholstered panel in fine jute-lined fabric, its natural texture lending organic warmth to the piece, while the subtle horizontal stitching keeps the look refined and tailored. Moving to the foot of the bed, observe the solid teak woodwork. The panel exhibits clean, straight lines that draw attention to the inherent richness of the grain. Beneath that, our craftsmen have executed hand-carved posts, each post crowned with delicate floral motifs and fluted detailing, echoing the bed's overall symmetry. Ottoman piece housed with its own companion bedside table. Note how the table's legs mirror the bed's legs, hand-turned, tapered, and terminating in subtly carved feet. Focus now on the headside, a generous double-arched crest rail carved from solid teak, featuring scrolling acanthus leaves and a central crown motif. The central panel is upholstered in plush suede fabric, quilted into a diamond pattern. These tufted diamonds create soft depth, inviting you to lean back in luxury. Glide your eyes down to the footboard. Here, the artistry continues in the form of fine pintexting. The gently curved footboard is etched with delicate beaded trim, and each panel is inset with raised wooden bits that form repeating geometric patterns, an intricate detail that catches the light and highlights the wood's natural luster. Thank you for exploring our handcrafted beds. To bring luxury home, visit Woods Decor, Luxury Redefined. Discover your perfect statement piece today.